Thor. What?
Walter, please watch your tail.
Stop. But if that's my cat. No. No.
That is absolutely.
Ma'am. Just slip. In the store. Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring.
Gigi. Aw, you got scared.
Would you like to wear this as a hat?
Max, I knew you.
Ready?
In nomine Patris.
God, what are you doing?
Para de me lamber, eu não peguei o cachorro, não. Eu não peguei os dois.
I know you want to drink it. Lucky, you drink that. You drink that, and I don't drink it.
He's a male. He's a very loving cat.
Oh. It's pistachio ice cream.
Ma'am, you got something on you? You just got something.
No, they are my chicken nuggets. Hi.
They literally came up and just hugged.
Happy birthday to you. Ow. To you too. Stop, you're scaring me.
You wanna play?
Was that you?
Why do you do this?
Kitty, what are you doing down here? Did I not see you before?
Hi, boys.
Sit.
Can you move? Stop.
You keep biting me like that, I will not play with you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Info.
I are gonna get dressed.
That's how you stay. Ow!
What?
Oh, it's cold.
Para de me lamber, eu não peguei o cachorro, não. Eu não peguei.
Should I get a dog? Holy Why?
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
Cinder, no.
No, no va a saltar.
Bastard.
Izzy, are you stuck?